when we do any like condition filtering, I want to take out the outliers. This is what we are doing on cleaning data already. It's more likely you need to think it this way where how do you want to teach the machine to think like you think? It's something like this. Why do I use a 0 over here is because I want to tell format to use the first value. In programming language, any index, let's say for example, in table, we start everything from 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. But in programming language, we start everything from 0.